Hi traders, before I get into today's review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the EA Morpheus on the MQL5 Marketplace, and from what I can see, this expert advisor is built for the MetaTrader 5 platform, but there is a MetaTrader 4 version as well. All right, so you can just as well, if you're using the MT4 platform, you can just follow this link to get the MT4 version. Meanwhile, looking at the marketplace page, the EA is developed by Ruslan Pishon and it is currently priced at 110 US dollars with version 6.23, last updated on 29 November 2025. It also shows 10 activations, which basically tells us how many times the product can be installed. Now, the core idea behind this EA is a breakout-based strategy. It generates entry signals when price breaks out of a defined price range. All right. According to the description, it uses historical data and filters out weaker signals, focusing only on breakouts that have shown stronger statistical behavior in the past. As I look further, I can also see that it includes a system for filtering false signals, which is basically meant to reduce low quality entries during choppy market conditions. Another key part of the EA is the adaptive trailing stop, which means the stop management adjusts dynamically as price moves in favor of the trade. It also mentions a very small stop loss, which suggests the system is designed to keep risk controlled per trade. Now, before we move into the testing, I can also see the recommended pairs and time frames here. It's mainly focused on Euro USD, USD JPY, and GBP USD on M30 and H1 time frames, with Euro USD H1 and USD JPY H1 highlighted as key recommended settings. Okay, now moving into the backtest section, I'm reviewing the historical chart performance over the selected over a selected period, right? So what stands out here is how the EA seems to wait for structured price consolidation before reacting to breakout movements. Okay, that's one of the observations, but we are going to be seeing that in the chart history. Let's just head over to the strategy tester right now. We can see that I already tested the EA. Okay, the test has completed. Where we're just going to go through the chart history together. So I tested the EA Morpheus MT5 on one of the recommended pairs, which is Euro USD, on the H1 time frame, one of the recommended time frames, and the test took place over about 4.5 months. You know, from the start of this year till date. As at the time of recording, it's 23rd May 2026, right? And then we are using the every tick modeling. So this is the chart history. The test has already completed. So one of the things I can observe here is that the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movement. We can see here a trade was executed and closed within the same candle. Here again, within the same candle, same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. All right, and there is significant spacing, or at least reasonable spacing, between the trades. Okay, so the EA is not the type to stack trades, right? It's not the type to stack trades, and like I already said, it targets short-term price movement. All right, now as I scroll through the chart, I can see that trades seem to be triggered after price breaks a defined range, and the system appears to either catch continuation moves or quickly exit when the breakout doesn't follow through. So from a behavioral point of view, the trailing mechanism seems to play a big role in how positions are managed once they go into profit. adjusting exits as price develops. All right, but I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Okay, so now let's just look at the overall historical results. This is purely based on past data. All right, so it's important not to treat this as a prediction of future performance. Okay, results can vary depending on your broker, spread conditions, execution speed, risk settings, and optimization choices. But from what we have here, we can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was negative 18,486.58. All right. 77 total trades you are taking. The short trades we are 44 with an 18.18% win rate. And the long trades we are 33 with a 30.3% win rate. All right. So we can see that the win rate is very poor. All right, and then now talking about the largest trades, the largest profit trade was 22,857.64, while the largest loss was just 1,980. Okay, and we can see the average profit was 2,197.64, and the average loss was just 983.8. So one thing I can say about this system is that it has an excellent risk to reward ratio. We can see that here. The difference between the average profit and the average loss is very significant. All right. So there is a good risk to reward ratio. But I think a major challenge with this EA is the win rate. The win rate is too low. And despite the good risk to reward ratio, the risk to reward ratio is just around, I think this should be 1:2 point something. Okay. So 1:2 point something is not really big enough to cover a win rate that is as low as this, right? We can see that the short trades win rate is just 18%, 18.18, and the long trades win rate is just 30.3%. So considering the risk to reward being at just roughly 1:2 point something, the win rate is too low. That's why we had a negative total net profit. Okay, so this is my observation from this test. Okay, but before considering any live use, it's always best to test the EA properly, more extensively. If you are really interested in this EA, adjust settings where needed and see how it behaves under your own trading conditions. Okay, overall the EA Morpheus presents a structured breakout approach with built-in filtering and adaptive trade management. But like any system, its effectiveness really depends on how it is configured and the environment it is running in. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.